Okay, we'll take it as a project, and we'll take that project and we'll utilize each and every functionality into that project. So we'll prepare one application of any one like different industry, okay, or different concept. Just tell me any concept we'll go for, so that we'll according to we'll work on. Anything is fine. Whatever the application you generally look at in the market or anywhere you use.
Mobile
Like if you
phones?
can take, sorry?
Mobile phones?
Mobile phones, okay. And remember, this one is a CRM application, okay. So for that, we are going to develop an application for mobile. Okay, I can give the name itself as a mobile. Is that fine for
Anything
application
is
name?
fine.
Right, fine. We'll go ahead mobile. And also I will ask you a few more things in this, then later on will come. Okay then. So now you people, however, we have gone through this, right? So just people navigate this, okay? So yesterday we have gone through these things. So we'll see this, how we'll prepare and how we'll prepare our own logo for our application, okay? If any doubt is there, just let me know, okay? You can ask me any number of times. I'm going to repeat it, okay?
Sure.
Because of initial stage sessions, right? So these things are key, so that everything depends on these things, okay? Fine. Right. Now here, this one is a setup, and here we do have the setup button. All right, I'm just clicking on setup. Okay. So now if you can take at the left side, you have the administrator. We'll discuss regarding them later on, and we have the build, deploy, monitor. Okay. First today we'll discuss about this build. In the build we have the three options. One is customize, create, develop. Right, three different options we have. Can you tell me what is the difference between these? What does it mean by exactly? What does it mean by customize, create, and develop?
Customization means the one which we already have an application, you just modifying it according
Exactly.
to our requirements.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Creating means like creating a new application.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Right.
develop, I'm
So
not
here
sure
the
about
thing,
that.
yeah, customization is what you said, absolutely perfect. So already we have some application or some device or something. Generally we use this with customized car, customized bike, right? Already the device is there, okay, the vehicle is there. I'm just customizing according to my requirements. The same thing like customize. When it comes to the create, all the features will be there. With the help of those features, I'm going to create something new. Means all the requirements are available there. But when it comes to the development, you can take it as from very scratch. Means where it comes to the development part, you are going to write the code, you are going to develop the everything. Each and every functionality you are going to develop from the very basic thing. That you can consider as a develop. Okay, fine. So now here I have the features, so many features. Using these features, I'm going to create my own application. So that's the reason I'm taking it as a create. I'm not doing anything customization, which is already existing, so applications are there. I'm not working on that. I'm working on the new application. I want to create a new application. All right, so that's the reason I'm just going for create. So here we do have the so many options. Anyway, we are going to utilize this option later on. So as of now, I'm going for the applications. Okay, just click on applications. All right. If you click on applications, we do have the so many applications. Okay, now here we do have the app launcher, community, and yesterday we have done Rajesh is one application also, right? So that application also be there. All the applications will be there. I'm going to create a new application. Just click on new. And here look at this console application and custom application. Okay, both the things are different, but the navigation is different. Okay, to reach the application, the navigation is different, the operate, the navigation is different, but 99% will utilize custom application only. Okay, we won't use console. So you select custom application and just click on next. Now here
What
I'm
is the
going to give
difference
the
between those two?
navigation.
Except navigation, everything is same.
Everything is similar, only navigation is the different.
Okay.
Okay, so now come to the app label, app name. So don't worry about the app label and app name. So generally what will happen is whenever we will comes into the picture development part, right? Then what is the difference between app label and app name, I will tell you. Okay, when we moves into the development part. As of now both will be almost remain same, but there is a small difference between these two. I will tell you later. Okay, as of now keep it in admin part. There is nothing, it's not required coming to the admin part. So now I am giving you over here mobile. All right, mobile. Okay, fine. Just click on mobile and just go for next. Now here you can see there is a Salesforce logo. I want to create my own logo over here. Okay, I want to create my own logo here. Just read this one for a moment. Read this sentence.
The file custom logo must be smaller than 20 KB. Okay.
What do you understand?
And the specifications of the image size and dimensions of the image.
Exactly. Exactly. So here it's required only the size of the particular logo or whatever image, if it should be less than 20 KB. Okay, fine. So now you just click on this insert an image. Okay, before that we'll go ahead, we'll take a logo, right?
Okay.
We need to get some logo, right? Yeah, we'll go and we'll take a logo. What will take logo? Tell me any logo. Can I take Apple logo?
Take any logo regarding mobile.
Yeah, Apple is the one of the nowadays going on, right? Okay, can I take this?
Yes.
All right. Just saving it on desktop. I'm giving it as a mobile logo. Okay. All right. So now if I click on insert an image, so I can select this mobile logo, right? So very
Yeah.
simple. But when you click on this, now you can look at is, oh yeah, my personal document. There is a folder. But in this folder, you cannot see my logo. Alright. Why? Because the thing is that we are working on a cloud. And whatever the logo is stored on our desktop, which is not related to logo, not related to cloud. So first, for that, what you need to do is, the first step should be, you have to insert that logo into the Salesforce. You got my point?
Yes.
Yeah. First we need to upload this logo into the Salesforce. Then we can utilize that. So for that, what will happen is, then whenever we click on the insert, you just look at this here over here. We do have my personal documents. Okay, so one folder. That one is in documents. So you need to store your logo into the documents. So for that, where you can see that particular documents application. So for that, what you do is just click on plus symbol. Okay, just click on plus symbol, nothing. So if you click on plus symbol, you can see all the tabs. Okay, here you can see the option. Look at this. If you click on the like plus symbol, right, all the objects which is on the here, which is not here, on the different applications we have, all the tabs will be available over here. Okay, that don't worry, I will discuss more on this. This one is one topic itself. Okay, all right. So now here we do have documents. You can see it, right? So
Yeah.
just click on the documents. So now you can see document folder, which is on my personal document, just we have seen. Now here we have the my personal documents. But imagine I want to create my own folder. just create new folder, click on create new folder. So where I want to give like Harish. Okay, my folder name should be Harish. And here you can give the option only or read or write, means you can modify also, it's up to you. Okay, fine. Just as of now I'm making it as a save, nothing I'm doing, just I'm creating my own folder. So now Harish documents folder is here. So now what I need to do, I need to insert, I need to upload my logo into the Harish documents. So now just click on this new document. Okay, so here give the name like mobile logo. What is the logo for name? You can give anything else up to you. And here you have two options: indicate document is internal, externally available image. So this image is available externally only. We are getting inserting from out of the Salesforce. So that's, you just check with the externally available image. And here you can choose your file. Just click on choose your file. There you can see mobile logo. Okay, so now this one is logo is there, just click on save. Okay, I did save. Now if you save it over here, now look at this, there is a logo is there in documents. Okay, so that too is, who is the folder name is Harish. All right, folder name is Harish and document name is mobile logo. All right, so now let's go to our this page. Okay, where you just click on insert an image, nothing, simple. If you click on insert an image, just now we have seen that only my personal document, but if you click on the my personal documents, now you can see two folders. One is my personal document, another is Harish. Just click on this. If you click on this, you can see one of the logo is there. Just click on this. Okay, if you click on this, you can see here now we have our own logo. Is it clear
Yes.
till here? All right, so now just I'm clicking on next. Okay, then here I want to select my objects. What are the objects? As of now I'm not giving you any more, we'll create our own. As of now I'm giving few things like accounts, okay, contacts, and reports and dashboards will give. Okay, these are all things basically for every application, these things are required, that's why I'm giving it. Okay, so it's not mandatory that you should utilize these only, you can give anything, but just for the practice purpose I'm giving you this. So just I'm making it as a next. Okay, fine. Now this one is the organization's hierarchy. We do have the different types of hierarchy in the organization, like integrated user, cloud user, okay, system administrator, sales profile, service profile, marketing profile, manager, okay, different types of you. So your application should be visible to everybody or not, it depends on you. As of now I'm giving defaultly it's visible to everybody. Just save the application. Okay, just save the application. So now your application is done. So now look at here, if you go over here, you can see we have the application called mobile. You can see it, right?
Yes.
Now if you click on this, you can see now our own application, accounts, contacts, reports and dashboards, and with my logo. There is no Salesforce logo now, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So now this one is creating about the applications. Okay, creating about applications. All right, fine. Next I want to go for how to create few objects into this. Okay, how to create few objects. All right, so now you tell me what are the objects we'll take into this. Okay, so here we do the accounts, contacts, reports and dashboards is there, right? So I want to take some sections also into this. So what I need to take, you tell me. Some different objects will create. Rajesh, do you have the Salesforce account?
No, I don't have.
You have to create,
Yeah, sure, I will create.
because the thing is that from today onwards I'm going to give you a few assignments, basic assignments. Okay, you need to finish up that. Okay,
Sure.
all right, fine. So now we have the mobile application. Okay, so mobile CRM application. So in that I want some few objects, right? Generally, whenever you're taking the mobile service or mobile marketing, mobile sales, imagine any of the application. Okay, so you must have some different categories, right, in that also. So what will take generally? Tell me any of the thing, not an issue. So imagine I'm working on sales. Okay, so then there should be invoice for every like what you're going to sell, right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's create one object for invoice. Okay, I want invoice object over here. So for that what we'll do? So the same process again. Again we are going for setup, click on setup. Okay, and here we do have again go to the build, same like create. Here we do have an option called objects. You can see it,
Yes.
objects. Just click on objects. Okay, so here we do have new custom object. Okay, you want to create. So click on new custom object and here we can give the name. I want to give invoice. Okay, so that's it, invoice. Okay, so plural number you can give it like invoices. This one is mandatory, remember thing. Always whenever you're creating object, right, it will ask you the plural label. So if it is I'm giving school, schools, class, classes, okay, what will be the thing? Okay, you need to give the plural thing. You give an example, account, accounts, like this. Okay, starts with vowel sound. If it is yes, you can check it out. If not, you can leave it. It's up to you. It's not mandatory field. Okay, fine. So now, as of now, I'm giving it as it is. Right. So now here we do have so many things. Invoice, invoices. Okay, object name you have given, some description you want to give anything, but not required. Leave it as it is. Okay, right. Now here context sensitive help text setting. So this one is not required for us. This one is an optional one thing. So whenever we are working on Visual Force, right, that will discuss about this. Okay. Now when it comes to the enter record name label format, record name means whenever you are creating an object, right, one default field will be created. Okay, so that one is invoice name. If you have given the data type as a text, it will give it a invoice name. If you give it the auto number, it will give as a you can take it as a number. So don't be too early to explain about this. I'm giving as an invoice name, so I'm giving a text. Okay, right, fine. Now just go to save. Nothing you're doing. Simply don't like much compli don't make it much complicated. I'm giving just invoices name. That's it I did and nothing I'm doing. I've given only name and I saved it. That's it. I didn't did anything. Okay, now your invoice object is created. Alright? But you can see, you cannot able to see over here invoice object. Right? Here it's saying that invoice object is created, but I'm not able to see over here. Alright?
Yeah.
Why? What might be the problem? Can you guess something?
Might be it's not linked to that mobile app.
You're almost nearby. Alright, fine. It's not about the linking to the mobile application. It's linking about this tab bar. Okay, we have created an object, but we have to link it to the tab bar. So for that, what we do is generally we'll go get the same thing, click on setup and just go to the create. Here we do have the option called tabs. You can see, right, tabs. Click on tabs. Right. If you click on tabs, here we do have the option custom object tabs. Click on new. Okay. If you click on new, here we do have the object. So which you have created object that will be visible over here. Just click on this drop down button. You can see invoice. Okay. And here we do have the tab style, means this for the reference, what is a symbol will give, that whatever the symbol you want to give, you can give it over here. It's up to you. It's not mandatory that that symbol you have to put. Okay, anything you can give it over here. Okay, now invoice is the like documentation, right? So we'll see some appropriate. What will give symbol? Just check it out. Mm, okay, diamond flag computer. Okay, let me give something like. Can you suggest me any of the symbol for the
Form
invoice? Form. Where is that?
in the first row.
First row.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. That's good. Okay, I selected the form. Okay, let's go to next. Right. Now here again we'll be asking the hierarchy. Look at this, apply one tab visibility to all profiles means whether they should be available to the all profiles or not. Default on if you are given all profiles. If you'll give default off, it will not be visible to any profile. Okay, tab hidden. Like this there are the different options will be there. As of now I'm giving to the default on. Or if you want to give the apply a different tab visibility, so you can give the as per the user. If you want to give, you don't want to show this to someone else, you can make it off. It's up to you. Same like what we have seen earlier. As of now I'm giving apply one tab visibility, all profiles default on. Okay, all the users it will be visible, your profile. So just click on next. Now here the application, whatever the object I am creating, that object it should be there in all applications, or it should be limited to only my application or only for the few applications. It's up to us. Imagine I don't want to give it in Rajesh. Okay, let's remove. I want to give it the rest of the all the things. I don't want to give it Rajesh. Okay, fine. Let me. Okay, fine. So now look at it. Is it clear till here?
Yeah.
All right. Now if you click on invoice object, you can see over here there is a no recent records. Just click on new. There is a default field will be created. That one is invoice name. Okay. Now one thing just now what we did is while creating an object, we have given the permission this object should be visible in all the profiles except Rajesh. Okay. Now we are in the application of mobile. Let me go to the sales. In sales we'll check whether invoice is there or not. If you click on sales also invoice is there. Okay, if you click on marketing, I hope there also be the invoice is there. But let me click on Rajesh now. Okay, if you click on Rajesh, there is no invoice because you haven't given any permissions to this, right? So this is the way creating an application and creating objects. Okay, got it?
Got it.
Right, fine. So now what we'll do is any of you create one object from your end. I will make you presenter. To whom I need to make you presenter?
Harish.
Harish. Okay, fine. Okay, then I made it. Okay. So before that, tell me what I have created one invoice object, right? What you want to create? It's a mobile, right? So you can call it as what else will create? First, share your screen. Click on share my screen. Yes. Now log into the page. Yeah, tell me Rajesh, what we will create?
Mm,
Any one more window?
stock.
Yeah, you can create stock. Definitely. Okay. Yes.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, yes, I can see your screen. You can go ahead. Cancel it, cancel it. Yeah. No, you are not going for tabs, right? Generally, first you have to create then an object. Then you are going to connect it to the tabs, right? First you have to create an object. Yes, exactly. Just go and save it. Next, save it. Yeah. So now your object is created, but you need to connect it to the tabs now. All right. Click on object. Yeah, exactly.
Stop.
You can go. No, there should be. I think there should be not every for everything. There's no. You can give any symbol. Go to next. No, make it default. Yeah, that's fine. Good. Save it. Save it. No, not required. Okay, you can give it this time. This time we'll give it to Rajesh also. Okay. Right. Now you can see on the top. You can see the stacks. If you click on the stacks, you can see the one field. That one is stack name. Click on new. All right. Fine. You can understand, right, how to create the objects.
Yes.
All right. Fine. Now let me show you. So now you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay then. Now we have created invoices. Okay. In invoices, we do have only one field, that one is called invoice name. But in invoices, generally I want the complete history. Alright. Generally we'll see. So whenever you just go for the invoices, how will be the invoices in real time? Okay, we'll see that. Okay, so how will be the invoice pages? I hope you have seen so many things whenever you are buying your laptop or something, mobiles, right? Invoice templates. Okay. So now you just look at the invoice templates. Okay, any of the one template will take it. Okay, view image. Okay, just look at this. There is some date is there, invoice number is there, customer ID is there, alright, and we have the address is there, alright, what is the tax, what is the amount, like other amounts, subtotal, okay, total due, like there are so many options over here, alright, when it comes to the invoice. But here in our invoice we have only one field like invoice name, but I want to create few more fields into this. How to create the fields? Okay, that we'll discuss now. Okay, right, fine. Let me go to setup again, same thing, nothing else. Okay, just click on setup. All right, so now again same, going for the create, I want to fields. But look at this, whenever we were creating, there is an option called apps, then whenever we are creating, there's an option called objects, but we don't have any option called fields. But here the thing is that we need to create the fields inside of object. Am I right? So I want to create it over inside of object. So let me just give me a moment. Okay, right, in mobile, right, mobile in invoices. So we have the one field called invoice name. But so I want to create in the invoice, I want to create few more objects. So first few more fields. That's the reason I'm going for click on object, nothing I'm doing. Just create, click on object. Okay. And once you click on object, here you do have the options called two different types of objects what you have created. Now I want to create the fields inside invoice. Just click on invoice. Nothing. If you click on invoice, you have the so many options. Custom object definition details means all the details about this object. Singular label, plural number, what you have given, object name, API name. Okay, these are all the things will be there. We'll keep it aside. And standard fields means who is created by. An invoice name which is defaultly over here. That one is a standard field. Last modified by owner. Okay, these are all the things owner. Okay, when you save it, it will come last modified by, these are all the things. These are all the things you can call it as standard fields. Now we need to create custom fields, means our own fields. So just click on new, nothing else. Click on new. So what I want to create? So in the invoices, I will have the invoice name, right? Now imagine I want to create invoice amount. Okay, I want to create invoice amount. So for that, if you click on, let me go for it one. Okay, when I click on, so let me go one step back so that it will be clear. So what I did is I just clicked on custom fields, just click on new. I didn't do anything. So here you have the different types of data types. Which type of data you are going to insert, whether it is numbers, whether it is currency, whether it is date, whether it is a text, whether it is email ID. Okay, like this, all the things will be there over here. Look at this: currency, date, email, geolocation, number, percent, phone number, pick list, multiple. Like this, there are the different types of options there. So now if I want to create invoice amount, that one is definitely, what is the one? Invoice amount is, amount means currency, right? So I'm just selecting the currency. Nothing I'm doing. Selecting the currency. I'm going for next. Okay, just going for next. Let me give the name over here. I'm giving it as a amount. Okay, I'm giving it as an amount. So let me give how many length of your amount that you can give it over here. Okay, so just go for the next. Just go to the next. And here again the same hierarchy, visible or not, that you can give. Okay, just go to the next. Okay, and here you can save it, nothing else. You saved it. Okay, now your field is created. Look at this. In custom fields, amount field is created. Now just go to invoice page, refresh this page, because every time you need to refresh, because we are working on cloud, on internet. So now you can see amount. All right.
I just have a doubt.
Yes, yes, you can.
In the previous page, when you said like it was last modified by owner.
Yes.
How can someone else can modify?
Last modified by, who's that? Look
Yeah,
at this.
it's like
Modified by
like modified by the owner.
owner. Who is the owner?
Harish.
You're the
Okay.
administrator.
How can someone else can modify? Like, is there any
Someone else
permission
cannot
to
modify.
modify by someone
That's,
else?
yeah. If someone else needs to modify that, you need to give the permissions to him. If you can provide the permissions to someone else, then only someone else can modify.
Okay, so that permissions section you will let us know later.
Yeah, definitely. There is a security controls is a separate topic is there.
Okay, sure.
Okay, all right. So your diet is someone else, how you are going to modify these things,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
So means what is this one is the one thing you are asking me,
Yeah.
right? So look at this. These are all the standard fields.
Okay.
Okay, these are all the standard fields. Standard fields is nothing but which will be delivered, which will be done by the Salesforce. Okay, you are not doing anything over here. These fields are done by the Salesforce auto generated.
Okay.
Okay, you are not going to do anything over here. So only you are going to create the custom fields.
Sure.
You got my point?
Yeah.
So these are all the standard fields. You are nothing to do much about the standard fields. You are working on more on custom fields. Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, if you once you moves into the security part, right, you will understand much more clear.
Okay.
Okay. As of now, so this one is you can consider as a standard fields, and you are not even you going for the security controls also, you are not much working on standard fields. Okay, few hierarchies depends upon the hierarchies, depends upon the standard objects. There is something is already set up in this CRM application. Okay, that you will understand by step sessions. Okay, no need to even go for the up to security controls. Step by step you will understand in the next 3-4 sessions. Okay, fine. So now what we have created, one of the custom field, amount. All right. So now if you want to give something now amount, like let me give it to the Rajesh. Okay, and I want to give something amount, you can give 5,000 or something. Okay, so this is the way creating. And remember this thing, always defaultly Salesforce will take in dollars only. Okay, so we'll discuss about that also regarding this rupees and the different types of pounds. Okay, so different types of dollars, Singapore dollars, these are also will comes into the picture over here. All right, fine. So now we have created invoices. Now what else will create, tell me? We'll create invoice date also. I think that one is required, right?
Yes.
Yes. All right, fine. I'm making you presenter, so just create that one as a quick. Just share your screen.
Good.
Just go to setup invoice. Click on invoice. Yeah, setup. Just go to setup. Yeah. Click on invoice. So it's if it invoice date. Okay, you want to create email. Okay, fine. Not an issue. Give it as email only. Go to next. All right. So now just go to invoice. Yeah, click on the fields. Click on new. Right, there's an email is created. All right, fine. Fine. So now, okay, fine. Is it clear till now, guys?
Yes.
Okay, then fine. So let me tell you. So for tomorrow's session, I will give a small assignment for you. Okay. So what is the assignment is nothing but, so and remember one thing. So every time you need not to go for the creating fields, go to setup, again go for you, no need to go for this. So just if you can look at this very right side, you have the one button. Okay. You have the one button. Just click on this button. Okay. Just click on view fields. Okay, if you click on view fields, directly you're going for over here. Okay, you can see it, right? All right. Let me go to this new. In this, we have the different types of data types, right? You can use, till now, don't work on this. Okay, till here, leave it. Till external lookup relationship, leave it. I will explain you. Okay, so before tomorrow's session, please work on these are all the things. Okay, create each like field. Okay, checkbox, create one field. Currency you have already created, date and time, like this. For everything, create one field. Okay, that you can take as an assignment for tomorrow. Okay, take any, you have already created invoice object, right? In that, create each and every field. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
just try these things also, pick list, multi-pick list also. If you are comfortable, okay, otherwise anyway tomorrow I will explain you these things also. And here look at this text area, long, all the things are similar. There's nothing much difference. Generally we'll use text. It's a combination of letters and numbers. Okay, anyway, you just work on these are all the things. You just check it out. Okay, so tomorrow we'll discuss further. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
is it clear till now?
Yes.
So means am I going much pace? I mean the way I'm going to train you. Is it comfortable or can I go slow or fast or what?
No, sir. This is good.
Good. Okay then, fine. Chalo. Tomorrow the same time we'll meet up. Okay then.
Okay.
Have a
Thank you
great
so
day.
much.
Yeah, you too. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.